Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove you as an admin from a Facebook page. This is quite simple to do. So we are here on the page, and first the thing we gotta do is go to right here on settings on this page, and once we are here on settings we have to go to page roles, as you can see here. And now here is the panel where we can know how to manage the roles of every person here on the page. Now, as you can see, I'm the only one here who is an administrator, and as you can see here, you can only have one administrator. It's a requirement to have only one. So this is quite new, but the only way you can remove yourself as an admin is to add another person. As you can see, you can add it right here. You click and you put your password, and once you add another person on your page, then you can remove yourself as an admin. So if you are the only person who is on the page, you will not can remove yourself as an admin because Facebook already changed that. So it's quite simple to do. Once the other person approves, you can change it. As you can see here, I can't, but if the other person accepts the invitation, you can change and remove. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.